Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie. Welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to do this eye makeup. So I'm not gonna go ahead and chit chat longer. Let's go ahead and just jump in. Okay, so to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to use this color. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it all over the crease. So once we're done with this color, we're going to go ahead and touch base with this color. I love this color. As you can see, it's almost gone. I like the orangey tone on the color. Okay, so we're going to touch base with this color. Okay, so after that color, we're gonna go ahead and touch base with this brick color over here and then just kind of do it like that. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it over here at the corner. So now that we've already done that, we're going to go ahead and start cutting, not cutting the crease, but we're going to do it only in the middle part. I'm using the Eclipse palette. It's a little dirty right now. Okay, and after putting that concealer, we're gonna go ahead and go to my Solar Flare, and we are using the Fireball. And I'm gonna just do it over here on this side. It's just gonna be covering the cut, in that way it's transitioning smoothly. Okay, we're going back to Morphe and we'll blend it on the corners. Before we put our eyelashes on, before we put our eyeliner on, I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Rimmel London Waterproof Scandalized Eyeliner. I'm going to get a black color from Morphe 35W to kind of just blend it. Okay, so once we're done smoking it up, we're gonna go ahead and just grab this color and this color together, and we're just gonna go ahead and run it through the bottom over here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just put my eyelashes on and my eyeliner, and I will be back for the whole look. So this is pretty much it for today's eyeshadow tutorial. So if you do like this video, please hit the like button, put your thumbs up, and if you do have any comments and suggestions, feel free to put your comments down below. And for all the stuff that I did use for today, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the description box. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the notification button so you'll be notified when new videos come in. So until my next video, thank you so much for spending your time with me. Bye!